Video I'm making warm lunch and kindergarten. Start of cooking, so I boiled water. Now water is boiling already, so I add 500 gram macaroni, guys, and boiled in 15 minutes. Nag-add lang akong water, salt and oil. So this is it, guys. So next we're going to do, I have carrots to make it like this because I make creamy macaroni with carrots, guys. Ito na i-recipe lang natin, guys. Tapos itong gawin natin para medyo naman ma-healthy yung lutuin natin. And this mag-bake ako ng fish cake. I-grill lang natin ito in 215 minutes. This is for warm lunch after work in kindergarten, guys. Ito na siya, guys. And then, gumamit din akong cucumber. Ang usually ko, kinuha ko na yung balat para makakain kasi hindi maano sa mga sagabal sa mga bata pagkakainin. So, that is it, guys. Binalutan ko siya ng cucumber ko. And then, ikakat ko lang siya itong small bite, yung katamtaman lang na makain sa mga bata. So, this is it, guys. Kailangan lang diskarte sa buhay para medyo naman makakain ng healthy yung mga bata. Ito lang, guys. Ginawa ko lang ganyan. And then, kinakat ko lang siya ng small bite. And this is it, guys. This is my cucumber. And then I have also cut tomato. Nagkakat din akong tomato, guys, for make it colorful vegetable. So the tomato cherry, the small bite, and then this is it, guys. Now I open 1 can of mais para naman talaga siyang masarap kainin yung fish cake and macaroni, guys. So this is ready na, i-serve natin na yan, guys. I-set aside muna natin yan and then gumawa tayong that is a macaroni. After in 15 minutes, i-dry na natin, guys. I-dry natin yan and then set aside and then i-oven natin yung fish cake and 215 minutes. Now that is done. Set aside and make a white sauce, that is 50-gram butter, 2 tablespoons na flour. I-mix mo lang yan, guys. And then I add 1 liter milk. It depends kung how many. And then I add fish cubes kung mayroon kayo sa bahay. Of course, mayroon tayong salt and pepper dyan. And continue to make all this together. So in additional ko na yung carrots na niraspi ko para medyo masarap naman yung macaroni natin, guys. So now that is it. And then imimix ko na siya sa white sauce kasi naluto na yung carrots. Carrots is no need to cook so long. And then ay nag-additional lang akong cheese bite to make it extra delicious at is yummy. Promise, guys, napakasarap ito, guys. Yung gumawa ka lang ng butter, flour, and milk and nag-additional ka lang cheese, it's so yummy. So this is it, guys. Is ready to serve na, guys. It's done. Tapos na siya. And then natapos na rin din yung fish cake and after 15 minutes. And then this is it. So ready na serve niya, guys. Serve with cucumber, tomato, and mais. So thank you. Paki-subscribe.